Okay, let's check out one of my new boards that I got here. I have a few boards now. I think I got 5. 1, 2, 3. I have like 5, maybe 6. I got some boards now, right? But this one's pretty tripped out. This is referred to as a mini gun or a gun. Single fan. Big. This board's actually a little bit heavier than a modern board. It's a 7'6", 7 feet 6 inches, super thick. Ooh. I mean, it's not super heavy, but I mean, it's pretty heavy. You can see it kind of goes into a pintail shape there. It's got that 70s kind of look as far as the shape of the rails and the nose. This board, it's a really thick glass job on it. There's a few pressure dings. Like when you stand up on a board, there's usually like pressure dings, but this is standing up to pressure dings no problem. It's not making any significant ones. So you can tell the glass job is really thick. And single fin. It's kind of V'd so that get some speed to it or something. The guy was explaining the hydrodynamics of it. These are pretty, I don't know, there's not a lot of rocker, it's kind of flatter. I'll try to show you guys. Not a ton of rocker. The nose is weird, huh? A few pretty crappy repairs on it. And this is a 1972 Small Faces. Small Faces was a company that made surfboards for the Froghouse, which is a surf shop that's still in Newport. And Small Faces, what that basically meant was people that shaped for it were the small faces of it. And they were famous shapers that were less famous notoriety wise, so I think they moved them to like Texas, and so the later boards came out of Texas, but the first ones were shaped in the Froghouse. I think something went sour over there, and then they went to Texas, and then they mass produced a lot of them, but this looks like an earlier one. So it's collectible in that aspect as well. I don't see any like writing on it, but the guy did know who shaped this board. And the guy that shaped this board, I think he still glasses boards. I don't know if he still shapes, but this is one of the earlier logos for Small Faces. And I really like the pinstriping. Came out super crazy. It's like the shape of the board in 3 different shades of blue. Like it's the shape of the nose. That board I got really lucky on. I took it to an expert. I took it to a surfboard shaper. And I said, "Can you look at it?" And he was like, "Can you trade me something for that?" You know, like he was pretty stoked on it. So I might get rid of it to that guy, because one of the boards that he gave me was even more tripped out than this one. And I'll show you that one in another video.